Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about the TCS latest onboarding updates. So in this video we are going to talk about three different things, and mainly the first thing is the joining updates. When are the next joining dates, or what are the expected joining dates for the Ninja Digital or BPS role candidates. Apart from that, we are going to talk about the details about offer letter. So if a candidate has not got the offer letter yet, when can they expect it? And what about the candidates who are currently having their offer letters, when can they expect their joinings? The third thing that we are going to talk about is when TCS is conducting the exams, and what about the exams which are already done, what about the results for that exams. So in this video we are completely going to discuss all these details, and apart from this video is mainly going to be a more of a comment doubts clearing session kind of video, in which I will be taking up the comments from my previous videos which you have posted, and I will be answering them on the video itself. So make sure to watch the video till complete end so that you don't miss any updates. And if you have any doubts on your own, let me know in the comment section of this video, and your doubts will be cleared in the next video. So before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all the latest regular updates from my channel. You can see that there are a lot of useful videos on my channel. I regularly upload off-campus drives as well as placement preparation related videos on my channel too. Also, if you are looking for a job and you don't know where to apply, you can directly follow me on Instagram. There are a lot of job opportunities that I post on my Instagram page as well. So let's start with our today's discussion. So the first is TCS next joining dates, right? So the next joining dates for TCS are 10th and 17th of February. Okay, so most of you must be like amused that when are these dates released. So guys, these dates are mainly for BPS and BPA candidates, so not for Ninja and Digital. As of now I have not got any information that any Ninja and Digital candidates are going to be onboarded on these dates. So if anyone has got new joining date for Ninja or Digital role, so please comment down so that everyone of us will be having this information. Okay, so these dates that are 10th and 17th are mainly for BPS candidates. Next is some candidates are having their exams, that is their TCS exams on 10th of Feb. And recently on 3rd of Feb, TCS conducted its BPS exam, and many candidates have attempted those exams. And you can see that I have posted many videos related to the TCS BPS previous year questions, and I've got many DMs on Instagram that yes, these videos have helped a lot for the candidates. So thank you guys for showing this much of support, and I will continue to post more videos. So if you have any exam, let me know beforehand, and I will bring previous year questions videos for you so that you can prepare well for the exam. So next updates are rescheduled candidates can also expected their joining dates in March. So there were many rescheduled candidates who got their joining rescheduled previously in the month of August. Also in the month of December, also many candidates got their joining rescheduled. So all of those rescheduled candidates can expect their joinings up till March and April month. Okay, and also keep in mind that rescheduled candidates are going to get their joinings parallelly along with the fresh graduates. Next is candidates who postponed their joinings. For them it will take some time to get the joining. So there were many candidates who have postponed their joinings because of different reasons. Either their college was not completed, or they did not want to join the company as of now because they want to get some good offer from other companies. So for all those candidates who have postponed their joining, for them now it will take some time to get the joining, but for them also until May you can get your joining dates. So one suggestion from my side is, guys, if you don't have any offer in hand right now, please try to take your joinings, because you do not know what is the scenario. And looking at the current scenario, which is of recession, we do not know how long or how long it will take for you to get your next offer letter or joining letter. Moving on to the next update, which is mostly the joining letters will be given to those candidates who have completed their final year. So even if you are from like 2023 batch and your offer letter is there, you have completed your explore program also, but your joining will only be issued when your curriculum, like your final semester, is completed. Okay, completing the BGC is mandatory, and preparing the docs nicely to avoid any delays in joining. So guys, I regularly say this, but also meanwhile while you are doing your BGC, that is the background check, make it sure that you do not upload any wrong documents, or you do just one thing that you have to notice. First of all, prepare all the documents, then in one go only upload all the documents. Because what happens is, if you prepare 2 documents and then you upload it, then what happens is that portal gets locked, and that portal will not be opened until and unless those 2 documents that you have uploaded, that they get approved. Okay, and that approval usually takes place at the time of joining. So you cannot upload any document from now onwards till your joining date, and that is a big issue that many candidates face. So what you can do is keep all the documents prepared along with you, and when you get your joining letter, after that upload all the documents on the portal. Because once you get your joining letter also, after that you will have 20 to 25 days of time. Meanwhile, in that gap you have to upload all the documents for. Okay, so this is the best practice that you can do for uploading the background check documents. So in my opinion, if you haven't got your TCS offer letter yet and your next step portal is badged, you should not consider yourself as rejected, because for those who are rejected from TCS, there is a clear rejection message that is being displayed on next step portal. So this is the 80 to 85% of the candidates have this doubt that I have given my exam like at after before 6 months, before 4 months, still the status is batched and there is no update from the team. When I'm asking, they are just saying that we will give offer letters based on business requirements, or we will give the joinings if you have cleared the selection procedure and all those things. So just keep in mind that if your status is batched, this means that you are still in the hiring process. But you should not consider that yes, my status is patched, so what can I do is I can wait, right? I can daily watch the onboarding videos, the latest onboarding updates, and I can like wait until my status gets changed. This is not a good practice to do, because what happens is, you know, there were many candidates previously also, they were waiting for their status to get changed, but after 6 months what happened is TCS changed the status from batched to rejected. Now a big problem happened for those, because they were only totally dependent on TCS and do not have any other offer in hand. So once their status got rejected, after that they started to look for other opportunities. So meanwhile, during this time their 1 year got wasted. So what you can do in order to avoid this kind of issues, what you can do is, I regularly post off-campus drives on my channel, and those off-campus drives are for like good companies, right? You can see that currently Zoho and Exolite is hiring. Apart from that, IBM was also hiring recently, Deloitte is also hiring. And to be honest, those candidates who are waiting for TCS offer letter from 2021, like 10% of those candidates has joined IBM right now, because what they have done is while they were waiting, they have like fill the hiring procedure or hiring drive. They have applied to the hiring drive of IBM, and IBM even conducted their exams, took the interviews and given the joinings, and still the TCS status is badged only. So I always say this, don't like be totally dependent on one company. Meanwhile, keep on applying, and you don't have to worry only about anything. You can simply join my Telegram channel. There a lot of people keep on discussing, and when they have exams, they even take sample papers and they even practice beforehand. And I also upload videos related to all the exams. So you just have to keep on applying. This is the main thing. Now one thing can come in your mind that I am applying from a long time but I'm not getting any response from companies. So guys, this is very common. Many candidates even applied for 300 to 400, and some of them even apply to 500 companies, and then after that they get one single reply from one company. So this is very common, and this is nothing new in today's scenario. You have to apply for all the drives. Okay, keeping this thing aside, let's come back to our main topic. So TCS will give joinings in first quarter, that is until April. So one thing is very sure, that everyone who has applied for the TCS drive and has got the offer letters, they are going to get the joinings in TCS. This is very confirmed, but we do not know how long it will take, because seeing at the current scenarios, many candidates are waiting from like 1 year also, and more than 1 year also. So right now TCS has this update that they will try to onboard and give the joinings in the first quarter, because all the currently waiting candidates will be given their joinings in the first quarter, that is March or April. Also, registrations are going on for TCS, BPS, also from Wipro and Infosys. So make sure to apply. Even the hiring for TCS NQT is going on, that is the paid NQT. Make sure to apply for all of these. I regularly post videos, and if there are new hirings, I will post videos for that also. Make sure to check those videos. Go to the description box of the video and keep on applying to the drives. TCS never terminates or rejects offer. Okay, so don't be worried about this thing that my offer will be rejected, because in the recession many companies have terminated like employees, but TCS has not like terminated anyone. So you know this thing that TCS will never terminate anyone. So with this, like, this is now the time for us to go to the comment section of our previous videos, and let's discuss about what all are the comments that the candidates have received. I have taken previous 2 videos of mine on which there are some comments about this candidates. So in this video there are 42 comments, and in the next video there are 39 comments. Let's take all the comments one by one and let's see what are the major doubts as of now. So Priyansh Gupta has to say that I got the reply of my query in the mail from ILP support. As part of the hiring process, only shortlisted students will receive further communication on their registered email ID. My status is showing batched and interview was done on 2nd November 2022. Am I rejected or not? So Priyansh, like, this is like a kind of automated mail they have created like recently. So anyone who is asking for an update from the support team, that what is our update about the joining or our offer letter update, they are giving the same message to everyone. So don't be worried about this. Their reply is, as part of the hiring process, only shortlisted students will receive the further communication. So this is a very generic reply. Okay, so you definitely don't get any idea from this reply that whether you are rejected or like selected. This reply doesn't help at all basically, right? So your query is, if your status is batched and your interview was done on 2nd of November, right? So are you rejected or not? So definitely you are not rejected, because your status is batched, which means that you are still in the hiring process. What you can do is keep on waiting, keep checking your next step portal, and meanwhile apply to the other tribes. This is the only thing you can do, because there is no way that you can avail an offer letter earlier from the company, because offer letters are always released based on batches or groups. So your batch results will be declared at that time only you will get offer letter. So you just can wait at this point of time. So make sure that you wait and keep on applying to the other drives meanwhile. Let's see the other comment that we have. I am from Chennai region. On 26th of October, I got a mail and call that you have cleared the interview for BPS role. So please send all the documents so that we can proceed with the onboarding process. And I have sent all the documents. After that, there is no update from TCS till now and showing batch status in the next step portal. Is there any chance of getting offer letter? So yes, definitely the chances are there if the status is batched. Okay. BGC can we submit only after getting joining letter? So as I mentioned, it is not compulsory that you can submit only after getting joining letter. Once you get your offer letter, after that the portal is open for submitting the BGC documents, but it is a good practice that you should upload all the documents all together after getting your joining letter, because you have a duration of 20 to 25 days at that time. Yesterday I received feedback portal in next step. What after feedback session, how many days to publish results? So basically this feedback portal comes once your exam is over. And feedback portal doesn't mean anything. It just means that you just have to give your feedback on the portal, that how would you rate TCS on their hiring procedure. It just means that. So there is nothing else apart from this. So if feedback is there, then after that your interviews will be there, I guess. And if your interview is already done, then you should wait for your offer letter. Sir, I attended TCS BPS exam on Feb 3 when I got results. So guys, BPS exam was held like this week only, so you should wait for some time. At least 15 days you should wait, but in many cases we have seen previously that TCS even took 1 month to give some results. So but in approximately 15 days I would suggest that I think that TCS will release the results. Shall I work in other companies before joining TCS? Will it affect my TCS offer letter? So definitely you can work in any company before joining TCS. It will not at all affect your TCS offer, because you are applying for a fresher role at TCS, right? So when you are applying for a fresher role, they only want that you should join the company on your given joining date, and if you don't join, then it means that your offer doesn't stand, or it will be rejected, which means that you cannot join after your joining date. So it doesn't matter whether you work in any other company before joining this TCS. Many candidates are there who work in startups for 1.5 years and then join TCS as a fresher. So yes, definitely you can work. So my HR is done on Ninja profile on 22nd April, now 9 months, but still did not get update. Portal is badged. If I have a chances, yes, chances are there if badged is there, but we don't know how long. So keep on applying to other drives. So yes, I can see that badged queries are common. So already for all of them, the badged, for all the candidates who have their badged, please keep on waiting. You are still in the procedure. So I guess these are the main comments from this video. Let's take some of the comments of this video. I had completed my TR and HR on November, but till now I didn't receive any offer letter and is showing badged in the next step portal. Is there any chance to receive offer letter? Yes, there are chances if you have given your exams in the November month. One of my friend, this comment I have already answered in my previous video, so make sure to check that. I have answered this comment in the previous video. So I have received my offer letter on November 3, but I have received the joining letter in this month. I have given CPA exam but didn't get 80 plus. So first of all, Sandra, you get multiple chances to attempt CPA. So right now, if CPA is not happening, I know that IPA is happening. So make sure that you apply to the IPS. And if your offer letter you have got in the month of November 2021, then what is the status? First of all, right now what is your status? Let me know that, and please attempt your IPAs. If it is happening, then your chances of getting an early joining will get high. When will I receive my joining letter? Because I received offer letter in last February, but till now I didn't get any joining letter. So first of all, let's see if there are any comments. Same here, received offer letter, still no update. What, seriously? So yes guys, this is a serious news that many candidates are waiting for more than 1 year. I told you, right? So first of all, Bhavika, if whether your explore program is started or not, let me know that in the comment section. And if your explore program is started, whether you have availed 80 plus marks or not, that is your joining bonus of 60,000. First of all, try to do that, and meanwhile keep on applying, because you are waiting from a long time, right? So it is not suggestible to wait for so long. If you would have applied at that time only to other companies, you might have got cleared the joining of other companies by now. So please keep on applying to the drives which are currently happening. So that will be great for you. I got offer letter on 14th of November 2021, and in November 28 I got the BGC. When can I expect my joining letter? Please help. So if you got your offer letter and you got your BGC in 28 November, first of all, can you please clarify this is for which role? And you should also apply for other drives, because you are waiting for more than 1 year. Now November is also passed like 4 months back. So please apply to other drives, and please ask to the support team that what they has to say about this much long, for taking this much long to give the joinings. Please ask them, and if you have any update, let me know. First of all, please let me know your role for which profile you have applied. So guys, I guess we have taken up many doubts as of now. So for all the candidates who are waiting and whose status is best, please don't be consider yourself as rejected and start applying to other drives, because you have seen that there are many candidates who are waiting for more than 1 year. So badge status, there is no guarantee on badge status that how long this badge status is going to be. It can even take a year. Badge status can be there up till an year, right? So keep on applying. Zoho is hiring, Exolite is hiring, IBM is hiring, Deloitte is hiring. Keep on applying to all these drives, and make sure to check all those hiring drives videos that I upload. That will be helpful for you. So guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to post more videos. And that's all for today's videos. Thanks for watching the videos, and all the best for your upcoming joinings and offers.